Hello and welcome back to chapter 5, lecture number 25. So this is the final lecture for the building, not for the chapter. I will do a quick review and do some organization in the collections. So one thing that was calling my attention was the bright color of the door. And because this is a separated object, so it's not linked to this door, and we add a leaking data map, UV map, it has some issues because they are sharing the same material but not the extra UV map leaking. So what will fix this is click it and just add leaking, no typos, and it will fix the color. So that's a great thing. And there is one final thing that I like to attach on the window, because we haven't focused a lot on the materials, and I like to do a very small addition. Is we have these nice reflections and a bit of normal, but I also want to have a little bit of dirt, and we will do that with a surface imperfection texture. And what that is, I will show you that in a minute. Let's make a mix RGB, and we go to the texture map, go to surface imperfections, and this is a map, we can take a closer look, with dirt on it. So you have a black image with sort of smudgy white stripes on it. And what this will do, because it's a black and white sort of a mask image, if you combine these two with each other, that's what we do, is you can see this on the window. So if I make this totally visible, you can see these stripes and leaking, and this is a very nice effect if you want to achieve realism in your scene. So just something you can try out. You can find the leaking texture in the image on the dashboard. So that's pretty much it. I do not make an extra UV map, it's just using the same texture coordinates as the existing one, but it will do. So I want to make some organization, because right now we have all loose pieces everywhere. So let's join all the side roofs with each other, so we make it one mesh, so it's easy to find if we need them someday. But it's also just good for your organization. And we have some over there. Now we have selected them, all of them, because there were a lot. Ctrl J, and so now it is one object. Let's make the outliner a bit bigger for the collection, and roof tiles underscore main. Yeah, so it's easy to find. Same for these roof bars or sidebars. I will call it roof bars. I like to make one object of it, and the one on the roof and the other side. Alright, I maybe missed one, not quite sure, but no. Control J, so it should be, yeah, there it is. And roof bars. Nice. Then we also have these on the wall, and we haven't selected all of them. We need to do that. That one, that one. We're almost there. Almost. And that one as well. No, Control Z. Control Z. I want that piece. I think it's linked to the building. So Control J. And so let's make a separated object. Control P. Selection. I don't know if you have the same material, but I definitely want to make this one piece. Okay, building bars. All right. and these hatches can, we'll leave them for now. All right, because these have double UV maps, and that will be a little bit problematic. All right, so this is the final building, and let's go to the render view. I hope you enjoyed making your first building in Blender. From all the techniques we learned in chapter 3 and 4, we could create this building. So it's sort of advanced modeling. So you have to do material mixing, texture mixing, adding dirt layers. So that's a lot of things. So if you achieve this, you did a great job. And we can use this building in our second environment scene. So that's the farmhouse on the grass landscape. All right, so see you in the next lecture where we go back to the terrain and use this building. We can append this from, well, it's already in the scene, so we can just merge it there. All right, see you there. Bye bye.